Destroy the render bar with the world's most powerful desktop processor for creators.
Yeah, but I don't have a ThreadRipper. Yet. Hey there! Welcome back! And today's special is AMD's care package. Yeah, they sent this to me and I have to say thank you and take the time to open this firsthand for you just to see what's inside. I'm very curious, but it's not open. It's not open yet. Let's check it out. Also, today's video is not scripted, so bear with me, please. It's tough when it's not scripted. By the way, please subscribe my channel. Keep it growing. Please. Maybe someday I can have more content just for you. And let's start. Now, I need some. Do I have an old CPU? Please don't do this with a perfectly good CPU, but it's a Phenom, and I have 1, 2, 3 of these. Okay, you got me. I didn't do it with the CPU the same way I didn't do it with the water in the Ryzen. Check the video for the Ryzen right there. It's just a joke, guys. But it was a good joke, wasn't it? Oh, great. Mousepad? Cool. That is very cool indeed. A t-shirt? Oh, I saw this on the Fan Store. It's nice. ThreadRipper. ThreadRipper. Cool. Let's attack some guy. Destroy the render bar with the world's most powerful desktop. For creators. Maybe one day I should have ThreadRipper. Maybe? Who knows? Who knows? Oh. It's kind of cool. Why not? Privatize for your laptop? Yeah, sure. It's cool. It's very cool. And some stickers. A lot of stickers. I do enjoy stickers. Let me just show you guys. Okay. By the way, here it is. Okay. A book. And a very lovely book. I'm a very digital person. I do a lot and take notes on the computer, but sometimes when I'm at home and thinking ideas for videos, I just get a pen and start writing, and that's a good thing. Hey, and it has a message. Oh, that's cool. That's really cool, guys. Thank you so much. Here are the goodies I promised you. I hope you'll enjoy them. Again, oh yeah, that top. Okay, that's just amazing. That is really amazing. Wow, thank you guys. That's great. And what I think this is a grip for bottles. I don't have a bottle here, but you get the drill. Something that you put your glass bottle I do use a bottle when working on my day job. A very nice touch. And I think that's it. I wish there were more, but the mouse pad, yeah, the mouse pad, straight to my desk, that's for sure. Let me just show you guys. And the t-shirt. Yeah. Okay, let's try it out. Hold on a minute. Let's do some movie magic. Movie magic. Okay. Kill some time. Let me show you the message. See it? Pause if you want. Oh yeah. And that's it. Cool. Now let's see the stuff in its natural habitat. Out with the old and let the new settle in. Oh, it's nice. Nice area. Soft. Rubber grip. Cool. Sorry for being a short video, but I do have more on the way. Check older videos, check the Turnkey Eye video, check the shorts. I'm doing some shorts lately. Wow. I do like stickers a lot. I'm sorry, but I do. And that's it. Super simple. And you guys think, what's the point of this video? Well, the point of this video is to unpack and say thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. I have a video coming, more like a tutorial video, because I had a little bit hiccups during editing. My NVMe just got some bad sectors. Luckily, I managed to repair them, and I'll show you in the next video how can you do this. See you next time.